Jai Narayan students. Subject accountancy. It includes bookkeeping and accounting. Accountancy is the field of knowledge concerned with techniques, principles, concepts, conventions, assumptions, standards, and other guidelines which are applied in accounting. Thus, we can say accountancy is the entire body of theory and practice of accounting. It includes bookkeeping and accounting. That means accounting is started from bookkeeping. This bookkeeping is the starting part of accountancy. It is the initial part of accountancy. Now the question, what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping means recording the transactions in a set of books. What meaning of bookkeeping is to keep the book for recording a business transaction. So you can say bookkeeping is an art of recording business transactions in terms of money by a significant manner to obtain some specific objectives. There are 4 functions involved in the part of bookkeeping. That means bookkeeping includes 4 activities, 4 functions. They are identifying, measuring, recording, and classifying. Identifying means identify the transaction. Now, how can you identify transaction? For that you have to know what do you mean by transaction. Transaction means transfer of value of goods and services between 2 or more persons in cash or credit or cash and credit both. So you have to decide here any information or any data that is you have collected, they are transaction or not. This is the identifying of transaction. Now measuring. This is the second function of bookkeeping. Under this function we measure the transactions in terms of money, because you know accounting records only those transactions which have its financial value. Every transaction is measured in terms of money. There must be a value in terms of money of each transaction. Then to know that exact value, it is known as measuring. Recording. The next thing, after identifying and measuring, then transactions are recorded in the primary book, that is known as journal. So recording in books of journal, recording in subsidiary books is known as recording. That means to write the transaction in books of journal in the primary books is known as recording. The next, classifying. There are 2 types books are kept for recording a business transaction: primary book and final book. The recording is recording primary books, and classifying means recording final books. Under classifying, we classified the all transaction in the form of accounts and subject matter related to one accounts, or you can say all transactions related to one account are kept in a group at one page of ledger, that is known as classifying. Now, bookkeeping and accounting. Yes. Next is the accounting. Accounting is the art as well as science of recording, classifying and summarizing of financial transactions in terms of money by a method, by a system. They also include the analysis, interpretation, reporting and communication of financial results which are used by users for taking business decision in future, for taking further decisions in future. So, accounting here gives information to the users which are used by them as per their interest. So, accounting is the art as well as science of recording, classifying and summarizing our business transactions. It includes first is function of accounting, summarizing. But accounting is started here, identifying, measuring, recording and classifying. But especially when we go on accounting, then accounting actually started here. As already said, accounting begins where bookkeeping ends. Bookkeeping ends here. So first of all, accounting check the work of bookkeeping, then summarizing. Summarizing means to make a summary of accounts which are classified in the final book in the form of trial balance and financial statement like trading account, profit loss account and balance sheet. Next, analyzing. On the basis of summarization, the results which are disclosed, they are analyzed that what are the results, what is the profit, what is the loss, what is the capital, what are the assets, what are the liabilities. All are analyzed here and interpreted. They are in our favor or not. This is the interpreted. And on the basis of summarizing, analyzing and reporting, then accounting makes a report. That reports communicate to the user. That is communication or communicating. Communicate to the users. Here see, the bookkeeping and accounting produce the information. That information is used by users for decision making. Decision making, and this decision is taken by two types of users, internal and external. Internal like management authority, proprietors who make policies about the business concern. So all staffs, managing staffs and proprietors are known as internal users, and other all like investors, financiers, bankers, creditors, researchers, tax authorities, government, public, all are also interested in the information of accounting. They are known as external users. So, it is very clear that accountancy is equal to bookkeeping and accounting, and bookkeeping performs in form of identifying, measuring, recording and classifying and Especially accounting performs summarizing, analyzing, interpreting, reporting and communicating. On the basis of this communication, decisions are taken by the interested parties, interested persons, interested users who are concerned to the business concern, and these users are two types, internal and external, and all these are used the informations which are given by accounting for taking further business decisions. Thank you.